First step, remove the tire. This is Sammy. He's gonna be our guide today. Say hi, Sammy.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, man? What's up, bro? Don't be bashful. All right, next we're gonna be removing the brake lines with a 12 millimeter. Oh, is there a bolt on it?
Yeah, it's 12 and a 10.
Oh. 12 for the brake line and a 10 for the ABS wire or wheel speed sensor wire.
22 and a 19 to get the bigger bolts on.
22 and a 19. That should do. Yeah. Down. Can't touch this.
Throw those anywhere.
Yep. Weight deduction. Oh my foot.
Sorry. Alright. Yeah, I had a pack because I kept losing them at Pet Boys.
19 millimeter for the outer tie rod nut. There you go, broke loose.
And 3/14 to get it out, and then just basically repeat the process.
You want to just stand on the tire?
I wouldn't keep your feet this way.
What?
And you just take it. Alright.
Did it really just die? Dead. I need to get another battery. Here, give me the old one. I'll put it on the charger real quick. Because I'm going to need that 3/8. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. No. No! Yeah. Alright, back to the camera. Alright, now, as you're doing the third and final bolt, make sure that you reach under and grab hold of this shock. Just make sure it doesn't fall. Other than crushing your toe, you don't want to pull out any of the brake lines or other wires that might become entangled with it.